Hi, it's Kana. Welcome back to my closet. I may have ordered a few things. So let's unbox them. I wasn't planning on doing this video today, but I was sitting there watching, who was I watching? I was watching It's Just Steph do a haul video, and my husband came in with some packages. Yeah, I totally wasn't expecting these, so I was expecting one, but not the other one got here. It got here so fast. So anyway, let me just show you what we're talking about. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Okay. This is what we have. We have a melt, and this says Demonia, but it's an order from Noctex. So, whew, and it stinks, y'all. What should we open first? I kind of want to open the big box because I already know, I know it's in let's just open the small one, I guess. Why not? Anyway, let's open this. Oh! It's the Cream Blushlight little card. And spoiler, there's one of those in here. So let's grab that. I love their packaging. Okay, this is what I'm seeing. Can you guys see that? It's so dark. Anyway, okay. I got the Reflect Gel Liner, and this one is called Slate. No. Yeah, this one's called Steel. And then I got the matte one, and this one's called Slate. So I got these. Yeah, what started this order was that I had to return some eyeliners. And then I actually just like had to declutter some as well. So pretty. I love the cream potted liners, but let's see. Ooh, I smell everything, you guys. So this is what that looks like. It's just a very dark matte blue. I don't really want to swatch it right now because I know that I will get it everywhere, so I'll come back to it. Oh, here we go. I don't know why I put it back. Okay. And this is Steel. This one is the one with the reflects. So pretty. So I'll swatch a little. I guess I'll swatch them. Why not? This matte one here is Slate, and this one is Steel. And I'm so excited. I probably didn't need two, but one's matte. One's a little bit lighter, so I'm excited. Let me get that off before I get it on everything. Okay, oh, I forgot. This is the one I was really looking forward to. It is, what is it called again? I can't remember. Oh yeah, so this is another one that's matte. It's called Ultra Matte, but this is Wallflower. And the box is so cute. I love an olive green, olive drab. Let me show you this one. Yum. That is just amazing. Let me swatch this one. Oh my God, okay. This is absolutely my favorite one right here. I love it. I cannot wait. Can't wait to use this. These are going straight into my everyday makeup drawers. Okay. I did get rid of some blushes too, so I'm okay with this. I have a lot of blushes, but I don't think I have any cream blushes. I have like a couple of multi-sticks. God, that's a lot of paper, guys. Okay, so I got this cream Blushlight, and this one is Lynx, and it's so pretty. I'm very excited. I really was sad I had to declutter my cream blushes, but they were like beyond saving. I've never had one of theirs before, but I've been watching them since they came out. That is what that looks like. It's so pretty. Let me swatch it. Oh, that's much better. That formula is so nice. Oh my God. This is beautiful. This is so beautiful, you guys. It goes so nice with that green. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh yeah. That's definitely going on my face tomorrow. All right, let's get this mess out of here now. I believe that is everything. So we're good. Okay, let's get into this one. So you guys, I ordered from Noctex, and it came in this big old box from Demonia because I ordered from Demonia through Noctex. I ordered these, you'll see. Okay, so they just shipped it all in this box. So that's what I've got. I'm really excited for these. Let me show you. And actually I think some of the merchandise is in here, but these are laundry bags. I got a set of these 3 mesh laundry bags. Use this laundry bag to separate your delicates in the wash. Keep it eco-friendly and lengthen the lifespan of your clothes by hand washing when you can, using cold, warm water and hang drying your clothes. I usually always use cold water because delicates, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, so I got the set of 3 laundry bags, and it looks like they packaged the other things I ordered in here. So the first thing I'm pulling out is this. I think I know what this is. Okay. I got this. It is obviously a mask. Ooh, it's so soft. I'm digging this. So, like, how does it go? Like, okay. You get the idea. I really love this. The color, it's like a mustard, but it's like a kind of a very rich mustard color. I love that. And then I got a chain for the mask. It's a mask chain. So cute. I mean, it could be for whatever, but it's sold as the mask chain, but like, how cute to not have to like dig it out all the time, right? I love it. Don't know that it goes with my huge earrings, but it could be a day that I'm not doing that. But yeah, that's what that looks like. The black one is longer, so it drapes. And these are plastic. These are metal, but these are plastic because it would be way too heavy. It would pull the mask off of your face. But it has little clasps to hook to the mask. So cute. And I love stuff like this. They're leg warmers. I know. Look, they're huge. I love them. They're not like a sweater material. They're like a t-shirt material, but these are so cute. Oh my God, I love them. Okay. All right, what else is in here? I know what's in here. I'm very excited. Okay. When I was on their site, I was looking, I found this bag and I fell in love with it. It was called the kidney bag, which I'm buying this for myself because it's my kidney birthday, okay? I got a kidney transplant 4 years ago on March 31st. So this is like my birthday present to myself, my kidney birthday, basically. But yeah, so I thought it was really cute that it was a kidney bag, and I was like pretty excited, but sold out. So I found that they had an even bigger one, and it's called a lung bag. So that's what this is. I really like these clips on here. I think that's pretty cool. It's a strap. But yeah, that's what that looks like. I'm digging this. So it's basically like, it needs to be lengthened. So let me just, you see, it's just this kind of backpack thing, and you can wear it front or back. So I'm really into it. Are we good? Yeah, I love it. Don't mind my hair. I just don't feel like dealing with it today or ever because it hasn't been cut in a year. Okay. Here we go. I think it might be these that smell. That's what it is. It's the glue for the soles of these, probably. Whee. Okay. They're so beautiful. Look at these. Oh my God, I love them so much. These are so beautiful. But these are, I don't even remember what they're called. I can't remember what these ones are. Let me just tell you what they're called in case you're interested. Really? Apparently they're called multi-strap combat boot, but they're Demonias. I of course have to see if they fit. They are vegan leather, and then these are Velcro. So you can like, I guess like adjust them, and then you just use the zipper after that. So hang on a second. I'm gonna try these on. Oh my God, you guys. They're perfect. I am so relieved. I hate returning things, and I really hate returning shoes because it's like, I don't know, it's just a pain in the ass when you have to return things. So I am beyond ecstatic. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm so excited. Let me know what you think of everything, please. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you would like to, you should probably do that right now, because I upload a lot of like makeup videos, but I'm really also into fashion. So if you guys want to see more of that, definitely comment down below. I'm actually planning a wardrobe video. It's taking me a while to get together because it's a lot. I have too many things, and I'm actually in the middle of decluttering a bunch of my clothes. Just trying to find the balance and figure out what I need and what I can let go is really difficult for me in makeup and in clothing and in shoes. I just had a huge shoe declutter. This thing behind me, the whole bottom of it is full of handbags, and I don't even use some of them, and that's the decluttered version. So I'm probably gonna have to go through that again. But anyway, so if you're into project panning, makeup, fashion, definitely subscribe to my channel, and I will pop up some videos for you to watch, and I will see you guys later. Bye.